Chris, Citizen Miano stand, impressive display of machines. First one here, well, and straight away I noticed LFV.
Yep, it's got the new technology on there. This is our L12 machine. We can take this up to 16mm bar capacity.
So really small footprint, 12, 16mm bar. I want to go back to the LFE though, low frequency vibration,
yep.
Which is not the same as PCC or PEC control, is that right?
No, it's a fully controlled oscillation between the main spindle, well, any spindle, yep. And the axis of movement.
Okay, and you're really showcasing this on all machines. Yeah. But just very quick on this, 12mm bar, but up to 16 at a push?
16 if we can take it up to 16mm. That's just a new guide bush expansion kit on the main spindle. That's it.
Make it sound simple. What sort of components are you manufacturing on this machine?
Small and super fast, high volume.
Okay. When you say super fast, what sort of rapids you got?
35 metres a minute, but it's a small footprint, so it hasn't got far to travel.
Okay, impressive stuff. Right, let's go to the next one, shall we? So, Chris, what have we got going on in here? I'm thinking B-axis straight away?
No, this is a manual B on this.
So it's still got the B-axis, though?
Yeah, it's got a manual B-axis. This is our entry-level L20 machine. Okay,
so you say entry-level, but it's still got your main spindle, sub spindle?
Yeah, and it's got LFE on both heads.
Okay, now I want to reiterate, with the LFE, that's the whole machine, not just software?
No, it's the whole machine. The machine's designed from the ground up to be LFE ready.
Okay, then when cutting components, what sort of tooling you've got going on in there?
This is just standard 12mm shank tooling. We actually have a little speed increaser, so we can go up to 4 times the RPM of the spindle.
Oh right, so you got your standard platen or gang, as you like to call it?
Yeah, gang.
Yeah, and then your driven tooling as well?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, let's move on to the next machine, which I think is over this way. So, well, over to you, Chris. Tell me all about it. D25?
Yeah, so it's a twin gang machine. It's just below, we're sort of putting it just between our M32, 25mm bar capacity. We're not going to be going any higher than that. It's 25. But the big thing what's on here is the Z2. We've actually got a Z2, so the two gangs can overlap themselves. Balance turning, screw cutting, thread it, everything, you know, instead of them both being fixed.
Right, so that's going to enable the engineers to get some really intricate parts.
Yeah, exactly. And also you've got full 5-axis programming on here with the B-axis, and then you've got 2 static B-axis in there as well.
And also the control on this machine. So you're looking FANUC, Mitsubishi.
It's our brand new M800 controller from Mitsubishi.
Okay. Can you have the FANUC option if required?
No, only Mitsubishi.
Okay. But people might think, you're right, I don't want to learn new code, but that's not the case. It's relatively straightforward to switch between 2.
Yeah, exactly. It's still standard programming. You know, it's just learning the interface between the, on the machine. That's it.
Fine, nice and simple. So next machine. So Chris, in terms of tooling, you're looking at your driven tooling, your gang or platen.
Yeah.
How many will it hold?
It's very hard to put a full number on it because there's so many different holders which we can put on there. Quad holders, triple holders, quad turning holders, everything. You know?
All right, so just giving a massive amount of flexibility.
Exactly.
Okay, now I'm going to shift you over that way if I may. Now, looking here, box guideway, so rigidity?
Massively rigidity, yeah, massive.
Okay.
Nice and rigid.
Okay. Now, I just want to go back to the fact you've got the main spindle, sub spindle holding 42mm bar. What benefits? You're saying, you could cut 1, 2, 3 faces at a time?
We can do 3 tools at once, so we can be turning, screw cutting, and then screw cutting on the back, or vice versa.
So again, giving a mass amount of flexibility.
Exactly, yeah.
And I'm going to reiterate, I'm seeing LFV again.
Yep, LFV, only on the main spindle on this one though.
Okay. Chris, great showcase of Citizen Miano machine, so give me a very quick summary, please.
They're fast, flexible, easy to use, and most importantly, LFV.
Brilliant, thank you very much. Jim, we're at the Citizen Miano stand. What machines have you bought?
I bought Miano in the past, and I've also bought Citizen.
Simple question, why?
Because they're fast, they're accurate, and the after-sale service is second to none.
Okay, so when you say fast and accurate, what sort of work are you actually doing?
We're doing small, precision, high-volume components.
Even with the fixed head work?
Sliding head and fixed head work.
Okay. And it's all well and good saying, after-sales service, what in particular stands out?
From the staff point of view, from Citizen, the politeness, the promptness, and the reliability of them at my site.
Brilliant. So you're going to buy another machine, or have you bought one already?
Ah, never say never.
Jim, thank you very much.
You're welcome.